Today I'm going to show you how to make vegan chocolate cake. You will need 200 grams of self-raising flour, 150 grams of caster sugar, 70 milliliters of oil. You want a flavourless oil, so something like vegetable, 200 milliliters of a vegan yogurt, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Firstly, in a bowl, mix together your self-raising flour and your baking powder. Then add your sugar and mix really well until they're all well combined. And then add your cocoa powder and again mix really well until well combined. Then in a separate bowl or jug, mix together your yogurt and your oil. Then once mixed, add this to your dry ingredients and mix well until a batter has formed. It will be a very thick batter, so don't worry. Then, having pre-lined a 6-inch cake tin with baking paper, I'm just going to pour the batter on top and just smooth out the top. Then bake in a preheated oven at gas mark 6, 200 degrees centigrade or 180 fan assisted for 35 to 40 minutes or until a skewer comes out clean. And there you have it. That's how you make a vegan chocolate cake.